just had a Monty with this masthead spinnaker. Went to hoist it and it got ripped on the way up, so I've spent the last 45 minutes on the foredeck with some spray glue and some repair tape, just doing a bit of an ad hoc fix. Just getting dark as well, so I couldn't really see what I was doing, but it's got to be done. Anyway, the sail's back up and drawing again, but lost a few minutes, that's for sure. Welcome aboard Fujifilm from the Mid-Atlantic. We're 9 days into this race and it's all to play for, I can tell you that. The whole fleet is glued together so closely that it's anybody's race, even at this stage of the game.
The conditions were relentless and they took their toll.
Just had to get the code 0 down as the wind's filled in now. It's day 10, we're about 440 miles from the ice gate. The good news though is boat speed is back up to 8 knots, about what it should be. And bad news is I am beyond exhausted. I'm going to have to try and get my head down now for a few hours, or an hour, just to recoup a bit, you know. Definitely in the danger zone for exhaustion with me. The wind has been clocking round northwest, west, west-southwest, southeast, south, as we've been tacking through, or as the various frontal passages have been coming through every couple of hours. And a minute ago I got caught out with the code 0 up, sailing along at 8 knots. All of a sudden, bang, the whole boat gets tacked. Everything's on its side. Oh, it's taken me 2 hours to sort it out. Soaking wet, not through spray but through sweat. But we keep going. God, I'm exhausted.
And the worst was yet to come.